Babyliss Pro Studio Design Series Compact Midi Dryer. The Babyliss Pro Studio Design Series Midi Dryer is the perfect compact size without sacrificing power. Dual voltage for travel, and features 1000 watts with carbon technology plus a full-size diffuser and concentrator for ideal styling. Works just like the full-size hair dryer. KW. 2 attachments. It's super compact. Huge space saver without performance compromise. Loved the Babyliss brand but was apprehensive I would like the performance. But there was no performance compromised here.